Today, I will deploy the aligned elements word adding using side loading. Now, this is a method that is alternative if you don't have the Office 365 available in your organization and can't use deployment via the Office 365 Admin Center. Why do we deploy this add-in? Well, Aligned Elements uses Word for reporting, and this Word add-in contains all those functions that we need to create and update Aligned Elements Word reports. So this add-in needs to be installed on all the computers for the users that wants to use this Aligned Elements Word reporting functionality. Now, to start out, first you need this manifest file. If you don't have it, or if you haven't created it during the installation, then you ask your Aligned Elements representative for it, or contact us at support@align.ch. This manifest file contains information for Word on how to connect and access your Aligned Elements installation for necessary data. Now, given that you have this file, you can now install it via side loading. And the first step is to place this XML file, this manifest file, in a shared network location that all the users can access. This needs to be a shared network location. It can't be Dropbox, it can't be SharePoint, it needs to be a file share. I'm going to show you how you can create a network file share for this example. So I go to the folder. It's important, it's the folder that contains the manifest file. I right click and click on properties in the context menu. And then there is a tab here for sharing. So I click sharing, share, and then I can select the user or user groups in my Windows network that can access this one. So I'm going to select everyone here, which is an available option, everyone, and click add. And we only need read permissions. Then we click share. And now we get the message that this folder is now shared for this path. This is a so-called UNC path starting with \\. That is exactly the path that we need for the side loading deployment. I'm going to click done here. I'm going to copy this to the clipboard. So this is the UNC path to this shared folder. Now, for every user, I need to go on the computer of the user. I need to open Word. I open a blank document like this. And then I go to File, and then to Options. And in Options at the bottom here, there is something called Trust Center. So I click on Trust Center, and then Trust Center Settings. And then I select Trusted Add-in Catalogs. Click here. And now I can add a catalog, and I start out by just pasting that UNC path in the catalog URL. And then I click Add Catalog, Show in Menu. That's what I need to do. Then I can click OK. And it says here it will be applied the next time you start Office. So I need to click OK. OK. I need to make sure that I close Word and I open Word again. Open a blank document. And the next thing I need to do now is in the search bar up here to type in add in. And then I will get an action that is called insert and add in. And that's exactly the one I need. Not com admins, not options add in, insert and admin. So I click here. Then I get this dialog here. It says Office add-ins and it has a number of tabs on the top. One of them is called shared folder. And that's the one that is interesting to me. So I click on shared folder. And we can see that this add-in now appears. This is the add-in that we added to that trusted catalog location. I need to select it and then click add. And that add-in will now be shown in my home ribbon. This is how you deploy the Aligned Elements word adding using side loading.